Good morning. Math 1, December 11th, 2019. This is mainly for Jordan, who's at home.
She was here.
She's not here now. So hopefully you're watching this. Here's the deal. We're going to start our final exam review. We're going to do 4 days of review. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. The actual final exam is on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Part of it is on graphing. If you did last night's homework, were there 8 problems? You just saw the final exam pretty much yesterday's homework. That's half of the final. If it's a 200-point final, that's half of it right there. And I think we will go over that again on Monday or something. In addition to that, you're taking, the other half is a half that Math 8 is also taking. It overlaps with a lot of what you've done. You've solved equations. You know how to do y equals mx plus b. So does Math 8. The thing is, Math 8 also learned a lot about exponents, and you didn't. But you're taking the same final. So we're going to quickly do a little exponent thing, and hopefully it gets into your brain. There we go. So here it is. Here's how it works. You do not need to write anything down. You're going to watch me do a problem, and then you're going to try to do it yourself. So first off, exponents. This is saying, hey, I need 4 5s. So this is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Cool?
Yeah.
What is this? You got this, Trent. How many do I need?
7 5s.
And that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cool? Okay, well, here I want 13. I have 6. How many more do I need?
7.
I need 7 more, and now I have 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, ready? On your white, yes.
So it's kind of like an equation, but you're trying to find out what...
It is an equation. What I'm doing is x plus 6 equals 13.
Okay.
And I know that it has to be a 7 to make it work. Chris?
Isn't 5 to the 4th power plus, or times 5 to the 7th power? Wouldn't that not be the same? Because like 5 to the 4th power would be like...
So this is, here's 5 to the 4th times 5 to the 7th, and that equals 5 to the 11th. So this is 5 to the 4th times 5 to the 7th equals 5 to the 11th. So right here I'm trying to figure out, hey, what would that n, that variable, have to be to make it work? Okay, now you're going to practice it on your whiteboard. What would n have to be to make this work? Whiteboard it. Okay, got it. Perfect. Good. Correct answer is 6. It would have to be 6. Next one. How many times bigger is something? If I weigh 200 pounds and you weigh 100 pounds, how many times bigger am I? Twice. Here's the math. It's big over small. Say it. Big over small. You're going to see that over and over again. I take the big number, I put it over the small number.
So it's just dividing.
It is division. This is 2,000 divided by 20. The thing is, I can cancel out some zeros. So this is 200 divided by 2, which is?
So 100 times bigger.
100 times bigger. So if I weigh 2,000 pounds, which is pretty close, and you weigh 20 pounds, I am 100 times bigger than you. Now you do it on your whiteboard. You're good. Good. So, go 300. Yeah, you got it. Okay. What flavor cupcakes do you think?
I already know they're going to be lemon cupcakes with raspberry.
Okay. Same idea. Big over small. I'm putting the big number. Which one's bigger, 4 times 10 to the second or 4 times 10 to the fifth? Okay. Which is really 10 times 10. See how I'm expanding it all the way out?
Yeah.
Over red marker of death and destruction. I'm left with 10 times 10, which is times 10.
1,000 times bigger.
Yep, 1,000 times bigger. Wow. So just every time you see this exponent, just write out all the numbers.
That's it.
Okay.
What if it's like,
Remember, I'm giving you the quick version of this to get you through a final exam and get you through the state test. You ready on the next one? Question? Cool. Give it a shot. Here you go. Big over small, expand it, cancel it, give me the answer. Yes, yes. You got it good. Come back here. Boom, boom, boom. He's gonna have it. Yes, yes, yes. Uh-oh. We're back to the light bulbs. The light bulbs that are like holding their hands up like little hands. You know, I just didn't go in order. So that one's still there. So one, I cross out. See, cross out one. I'm crossing out top one. I don't know why. I should have. Instead of crossing, should have had the line before like that. And yeah. There's no reason. All right. There was a moment in this class where I had 3 of you come up here and sit on chairs, and I gave you tickets, and I moved you up and down.
Off that chair.
She didn't like getting off that chair?
No, I almost died. I was trying to step off and I almost died.
Dude, you're the one with the broken ankle from something else. You did not almost die in my class. So here's the deal. If I look at 6 to the 9th, this is how many 6s?
9.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow, I went 2 too many. Is that 9 of them?
Yeah.
Over. What's 6 to the 3rd?
6 times 6, 6 times 6.
Yeah. So this ends up with 6 to the 6th.
Yeah.
But on the test, you're going to have to show it more logically. So I want you to see how I can show that using some other methods. So I have 6 to the 9th over 6 to the 6th. So this becomes 6 to the 9th minus 6 over 1, which becomes 6 to the 6th over 1, which becomes 6 to the 6th. So that's the progression. On the final exam, you're going to have to be able to identify an error in this.
Wait.
Wait.
Was
Oh.
it,
9 minus
is
6
it not,
is not 6.
Oh, it's
3.
Is it supposed to be 3?
Well,
You
it's
know,
supposed to be
oh, you know what?
6 and
I did it correct with.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be 6 and
Oh, I was like,
I don't know.
Yeah, then you're good.
9 minus 6 is
Because you got
9.
6 over 6 on the first thing, and then like.
Okay, so JJ, you're with me, man.
Oh,
My
wait.
math was good. I wrote the problem down wrong. Okay.
Still
So-
wrong.
The 6
Nine minus
3
eight.
6 over 6 on the bottom. Yeah.
Okay. Is that it? There it is.
There it is.
There we go.
So it becomes 9 minus 3, which becomes a 6, which is just 6 to the 6th. Okay. I want you to show me all of those steps. There are 4 steps to it. Show it with this one. Show all 4 steps. Just mirror what I did. And I'll take attendance. you're taking the same half of the final.
Wait,
There are two parts. Two parts. You guys are taking one part.
Wait, do they have a second?
They haven't had any geometry in our final, right?
So you don't have any geometry in your final. They have geometry and expressions and equations. You have expressions and equations and graph.
So they have a half that they know, and we have half that we know, and then there's one half that we both have.
Yeah, this is overlapping half. Yes.
They don't do geometry, we only know one.
Alright, show me some work. Right here, because I know what the final looks like. It's going to make sure it's over 1, 6 minus 2 over 1, which becomes 5 over 4 over 1. 6 minus 2 over 1, 6 minus 2. Okay. This is the first step. This is the second step. This is the third step. On the final, it's going to try to find, it's going to throw an error in there and you have to find the error. So maybe it says, oh, this is the error, right? Oh, there's an error, that's wrong. Maybe it does this.
That would be.
See, that's wrong. So if you can follow the correct way to do it, then you can match it up and try to find the error on their logic. It's a find the error type of problem.
I like those.
Right. The next one is also this. These are the two weird ones for you guys. This looks like distribution. It's not distribution, but I can rewrite this as 5. What's negative 2 times negative 2?
4.
And what's 4 times negative 2?
Negative 8.
Okay. So how many 5s are here?
4.
And here? Negative 8. So that's weird. It's a negative exponent. So add these guys together. What's 4 minus 8?
Negative 4.
And what's that?
Negative 4.
I know it's a long time. It's a ticket.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember that.
I'm going to show you another way to do it. What's 4 minus 2?
4. Or it's 2.
What's 2 times negative 2?
Negative 4.
Does it give us the number to multiply?
I don't remember how this question works. I think it's kind of like a find all that are equivalent problem.
Oh, so you have to plug.
It's kind of like this. Hey, what's equivalent to this? Like which ones are equivalent? They're all equivalent. It's like, hey, which ones are equivalent? You've got all these different options. All of these things are all the same. How about this? 5 to the negative 5. Is this equivalent to that? No, it's the matching. It was like, which ones are all the same?
It's like a match there.
Something like that. It's like, it's select all. Which of these are equivalent to this? This is your starting point. And it's saying, hey, which of these are equivalent? And these are all equivalent. This is the same as that. That. They're all the same. I realize I didn't cover this for your class, but at the end of the day, I still have to give you some math stuff. because you're going to be tested on Math 8 at the end of the year. It's kind of goofy, but
Well, but how can they, wait, but if there's, isn't like math 1 like freshman?
the problem is, do I have any Pacers in here?
No.
All of you jumped over Math 8.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
So we can't go on not knowing anything about
So
math.
I still have to get, so you guys jumped over a whole year of math this year. So I have to play a little bit of catch up because the state of California is going to test you on this at the end of the school year. You still take the Math 8.
Isn't math 8 kind of like what we did in 7th grade?
No.
No.
Did you do this in 7th grade?
No.
This is Math 8. Some of it overlaps. The y equals mx plus b, that's an overlap. The statistics, that's an overlap. So there's stuff that I have to teach you. So we're doing it fast. Let's keep going. Okay. I want you to try to work your way through this. Follow my path. Show me each little step.
That's mine.
Hold on to that. I'm not going to actually check your boards. I'm going to do it for you. I'm not going to check your boards. It's too much for me to check. So I'll do it for you on the board. So I'm going to do this problem. And I do it like a distribution that becomes 3 to the 6th, 3 to the negative 10, which becomes 3 to the negative 4, which becomes 1 over 3 to the 4th. How did I do so far?
Yeah, good.
Or I can do 3 to the 2nd to the negative 2, negative 3 plus 5, which becomes 3 to the negative 4. So there are two things going on. This is, I call this one base add, and this one power multiply. If it's an exponent, I multiply. If it's base is multiplying, I add. And then I know. Okay, 3 to the 4th, there it is. I know it's too much.
It's fine.
I got it. It's going to be like 2 problems on the final.
Oh.
It's not going to, there's going to be a whole bunch. You're going to be fine. You guys are going to be fine. Pick up what you can. Let's keep going. You'll like this one better.
We pretty much skipped the grade, but just math.
Oh.
Watch how this works. Yeah, you did. You guys did. You skipped a grade of math, and I got to 4 to the x, 8 to the x. I want to make this equal 1/4. So pick an x for me. Pick an x. Chris. 4 to the 2nd, 8 to the 2nd. What's 4 to the 2nd, Chris?
16.
And 8 to the 2nd?
64.
Good, and that equals 1/4. Look, Chris, you got it right on the first try.
You got Chris.
Pick a number that doesn't work. Good. Pick a number that doesn't work. Good. Pick a number that doesn't work.
3.
Pick a number that does work.
2. 4.
4 doesn't work. The only number that works is 2. Everything else doesn't work. All right. Give it a shot.
Just because it does.
Fine. I want one number on your whiteboard. The number that works.
Oh.
Give me one number that makes it work. I've got the answer.
Wait, can
Well,
X be
isn't
different
that-
values?
No, it's x is the same. So it's a single number.
Oh, I'm screwed.
Good. You're not.
I had a number, but I had two different X's.
You're good. You got it. Perfect. You miss Jordan? Good. What number makes it work in both of them? Good? No. So let me show you what you're saying. You're saying 3 to the third over 9 to the third is the same as 1/3. What's 3 to the third?
27.
27? 9 to the third is 9 times 9 times 9, 729.
1 times 9, which is like
Do it.
728.
Can't you just do
Yeah.
one?
It is 1. The answer is 1.
The answer.
What you're saying is that if I put a 2 right here, out is gonna come a 1/3, but it doesn't. What's 3 squared? Is that what you're doing? You're not squaring it? Are you doing 3 times 2? So 81, 9 over 81 isn't 1/3. Correct answer is 1. Give me, on your whiteboard, give me a number that doesn't work.
I know.
All right, hold up the boards.
370.
Here's the deal. What are you showing me, an 8 or an infinity?
That's 8.
Okay, 8. Don't get crazy. If the correct answer is 1, give me a wrong answer that's 2 or 3. On the test, it's computer graded. Don't get stupid with it.
5 minutes.
Just go with something easy. Go with like a 2 or a 3 or a 1. Keep it easy. Good.
I put a 76.2.
And don't go decimal on it.
But
All right, big over small? 720 over 36. Okay, big over small. Go. Good. Good.
Yeah, this picture.
Good. 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 Is that a 20? One. 300 over 15 equals 20. Next one, it's still big over small. I use the exponents and expand it. I use my red marker of death and destruction to kill things off. That leaves me with 6 to the 4th, which is 6 to the 4th. You've got the next one, number 17. Good. Take it one more step. Tell me what is that voting for?
Oh.
Take it one more step. Take it one more step. Take it one more step. What does that equal?
Wait.
That's a lot.
Calculator.
Use your calculator.
Oh my.
Good.
Yay, I got it.
I don't know if I did that right.
Are we going to use calculators on
If there's one built into it, it's a CASP test. So
Cast.
that's like IAB.
Oh, we take IEs for English.
Good.
I like it so much.
We just lost it. Multiply it one more time.
Still need to go with doing it.
Good. What does that equal? Do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Good.
I got it. They're not teaching us Oh, I was thinking of wow. Yes, that's right.
Epic.
Epic. Epic smart. Same type of thing. Big over small.
Like a lot of big
And then go. Number 19.
We all the way home. Okay. Take off the shoes and you
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes.
I prefer to use calculator.
Yes.
And it's like 49 divided by 7. You're not fun in high school, My brother's probably.
Big over small. Big, small. Notice I expanded out. 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 2, 10, 10, 10. Cancel, cancel, cancel. It leaves me with 800 over 2, which simplifies to... Well, nope. Just slap it on. This is 8 times... So these guys are gone.
So 10 times. Oh, okay.
So this is 8 times 10 times 10, which is 800 over 2, which is 400. You got it. Try it.
No, I don't think
I almost did that thing. Expand it out,
Big over small.
cancel things out, and then simplify it down. 16 times 10 times 10 times 10.
Oh, we're
Oh, wait, what? Oh. Over 1.
Good, good. Is that what it feels like to get it wrong? Good, good. Good. How's that work out? Good. Good.
Your math is wrong.
Good, good, good. Good.
Yes, it is. That's wrong.
You got it.
Yeah, I kept putting like 6 of them on.
I got it right about it.
Sure. It'll say, make sure Chris runs extra hard today.
I'm just gonna run to my dad's
So what
office.
about history?
Yo, try to let us run until we throw this back.
$16 divided by 4?
Four.
4. So this is 4 times 10 times 10 times 10. So 4 times 1,000, 4,000.
That would have been smart.
No, I didn't divide 16 by 4. I did 16 times 10 times 10 times 10.
So you had 16,000
Yeah, I got 16,000
over
divided by
4,
4.
which is, that's fine too. Good stuff.
And the final would be like short answer or multiple choice?
It's a mixture.
Great.
All right. Now, I just did 21 problems with you, or 20-ish problems. We're just going to cycle back through them. No more examples. What should N be? And we got to hustle. Good. Correct answer, 7. Big over small. Good. Good, good. 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 I'm not checking yours yet. I'm going to take your board. Give me your board. Good. Good. Correct answer, 100. Big over small.
How did you do this?
Got it.
Wait, how did you
Wait,
get it already?
what?
I looked at it. Good. Chris got it?
What are you trying to have?
Uh, I can't think.
He still has it from the last time we did it. Exact same
Trent, what I'm really doing is 7 minus 4. I know there are 3 10s that are going to be at the end. Good.
I did it. Did I do it?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be, yeah. 7 Yeah. Plus 3.
I didn't see it the first time.
And you could have canceled out the 6s too.
I like to give people like that.
It's cool. You have the right answer. Recognize you actually did small over big. Normally you want to write it the other way. Good. I'm going to show yours to the world.
So, could you also just do it instead of, like, if it's 6 and 6, like crossing it out and then subtracting 7 4 to get
So he should have canceled out those guys right here. Expand it. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Unless we're 10 times 10 times 10.
Could you also just look at it?
Yes. I just look at it. But if you don't, if you can't look at it, expand it out and do it that way. Okay. Show each little step.
Okay, I never had to do this.
Oh,
What I'm really looking for, right there, you know that. This is the piece. It's right, that's the magic piece. Oh, the minus 4 is the 1 underneath. That one is important. But the problem is, it's not going to ask for the answer. It's asking for find the error.
Wait, so why is the 1?
So if I put a 4 here, oh, that's the error. If I put a 3 down, a 5 there, oh, that's the error.
We're a good student.
Okay. What you're going to do is simplify this thing down multiple ways. And then I'm going to put answers up here, and you got to tell me which ones are wrong. So I'll do it, and you do it.
Wait, so
And
no whiteboard?
you whiteboard it,
Okay.
but I'm not going to look at your whiteboards.
So you wanna?
So I'm going to do it also.
Oh, I forgot some steps from school.
Oh, you can do that.
look at your board. Imagine this. Is this the same as that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this the same as that?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Well,
That's the answer.
Yeah.
yeah.
No,
Yeah,
wait,
it
no, no,
is.
no, no.
Yeah.
So it's like this. Hey, if this is the original, is this the same as this?
Yeah.
Is this the same as this?
No.
Is this the same as that?
Yes. Wait.
No,
Wait,
no,
no. Yeah. Yeah. Because that's the other way. That's right.
Did anybody have this on their board?
Yes.
I did.
I think you're thinking too linear. You go, oh, that becomes this, which becomes this, which becomes this. Well, but is this the same as that?
Yeah.
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 Yes. Can I take this? Okay, how about, do you like this language better? Gonna get hung. Can I take this and turn it into this?
Yes.
I can do it in one step. Can I take this and turn it into this?
Yes.
It takes two steps, right? Okay. Can I take this and turn it into this?
Yes.
Right. Can I take this and turn it into this?
No.
No.
No, that never showed up on your board. This is some other totally different thing. Can I take this and turn it into this?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Well, if you say that yes, then you're saying that this is the same as this.
No.
Those are different, right? Is this the same as this?
Yes. Yeah.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is that the same as that?
No. Wait, yes.
Yes. Is this the same as this? Yes. Is this, are these the same?
No.
No.
So that's what's going to be on the final. It's going to be, hey, can you match up all the things that are the same? Just like is. You know, are these the same? Are these the same? Are these the same? Are these the same?
No.
It's that kind of problem just with exponents. All right. Yes.
What is 5 to the 6 power be the answer though? Because like you already used.
Well,
the-
but
One over.
it's 1 over 5 to the 6th, not just 5 to
Is
6.
that negative still there?
Hey, give me the one number that makes this work. The one number that makes this work. I'm doing it also.
Wait.
Pick a number. Which one works? That one. So what you're telling me?
Never mind. I thought we were doing on a different.
Give me the number that makes it work.
Hold up.
Find the x that if I put it here, I get a 1/8.
Wait.
Good. Yes.
We looked at it and
Yes.
one, two.
Yes, JJ. Hey, hey. Yes. So what you're telling me is if I put a 2 here, let's put a 2 there. What's 2 squared? What's 4 squared? You're telling me that 4/16 is the same as 1/8. Is 4/16 the same as 1/8? No, this is 1/4. So it's not 2. 2 doesn't work. So try again. You're saying if I plug in a 1, ready? What's 2 to the first? What's 4 to the first? You're telling me that 2/4 is the same thing as 1/8. The only thing that works is 3. So, Micah, let's plug in a 3. What's 2 to the third, Micah? What's 4 to the third? Thank you, Aiden Fisher. And then, if I simplify this, I end up with 1/8. Ah, so the 3 makes it work.
Oh.
Give me a number that doesn't work. Write it down. Good. A number that doesn't work. Good. Good, 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 good.
Sorry.
Good, good. What I'm really looking for is to make sure you don't get stupid. Good. I don't know, you know, whoever programmed it, did they program it to handle stupid? Right? I don't know. Big over small. Good, good. You're good. 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 Good, good, good. 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 What you get out, you're using calculator on this thing. So 900 divided by 45. No, they did it in a week or two. And you're not learning it at a good level. Well, they didn't do much more than this. All right.
Whoa.
Got it. Take it one more step.
Okay.
Take it one more step. You got the grades.
Yeah, one in India.
Good. Perfect. Good. You're gonna get there. Perfect, perfect. What happened to your flyer?
She broke her foot. 10 minutes after I broke my ankle.
Did you know it was broken, or did it?
I thought it was just sprained. Oh, and I found out that I fractured my foot.
Somehow on your something went wrong with it. It should be just 243. Should 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should actually be 3 to the
Shouldn't.
3 to the 5th, which would be 243. So somewhere did you do all these 3s and stuff? Okay, well if I subtract them, it's 3 to the 5th, which is 243. Next one, let's see. 29, 90. Okay, get out of here. Do the homework.
Is this what our homework? It's O1B. So is that what you're asking about? Yeah, that kind of feeling. My mom should be able to take it. Oh, I actually did it.
I do. They're in the floor. What?
Good luck.
Yeah. Come out. I can't go over right now. Come to my office hours, I can go over with you. Were you able to mark them right and wrong? No. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I understand. Okay. If you come, I can't deal with it now, but if you come during my office hours, I might deal with this kind of stuff.
Hey, have you seen this
Single 2 days apart.
X on it.
Oh, all my brain cells.
Stranger ladies went to the supermarket. Oh, me too came out.
Oh no, we're back up this. We got a lot of people.
Elliot? Okay. Start getting the self-grading on this.
Oh, I guess that one.
You have your phone number.
Yeah, Mr. Romero is coming with her.
Got it.
You like chicken nuggets? This is your favorite song.
Chicken nuggets.
You like chicken nuggets?
I went to the wrong thing. I forgot.
Look at me. Get out your homework and have it out so I can check it while you're self-grading. Look at me.
Yeah.
Mr. Romero should be here. 3, 2, 1.
How did I get a 95?
3, 2, 1. 3, 1. 1, 2, 1. No. Who? Turns out my mom is a little bit down. Sadly.
Turns out what?
I can't go because my mom needs to do something.
So much time.
And I'm with my buddy Larry, who said they with me, but they're sick, so like. Okay.
It's next week
Stupidest
Thursday.
answer.
The field trip is next week Thursday.
Field trip next week Thursday. Last day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Got it. Last day tomorrow. Got it.
We're all 5 weeks tomorrow.
Last day tomorrow. Cool. Got it.
You see the whole, you see the whole I spent so much time on 14.
Does not take talking to each other. Thomas. Hey. You can get into today's lesson now. Sean, last name?
We're really good at something. They keep grade it and then we grade ourselves. What'd you get?
Thomas, you're gone yesterday. I'm putting this down as an absent. You also missed yesterday's test. That's going in as 0 until you take it. Last night's homework, kids, last night's homework.
How'd you forget?
Last night's homework. Just some
Your grandma and you what? Your grandma.
You were not done. You take the test yesterday.
So were you doing last night? Because you forgot? That's what I need for that. What do I have on How was your coffee this morning?
Delicious. Can you really taste it?
Wait, how do I get seed?
What?
Oh, I was talking about this. How does I don't have seed. I don't remember what name it is. Something about it. Like, that shouldn't bring me down to it. You know, because I that was this is like the beginning of the year. I had an A last time I checked. That was like a week ago. Yeah, weird. I gave I think they
Noah, Cameron, please. Are you done with this? Sit there quietly.
This is I have zero missing assignments, but I have one missing assignments. Yeah, I have zero missing assignments.
But you have one.
No, but I can show you a different class that it does the same thing.
But why?
Like, for you, it shows you, oh, dude, I'm so frustrated. Look at my grade.
This is why I get beaten. I have a 99.9. You don't even need something.
I think your mom.
I have 100.
Like going, leaving? No. Just talking. Okay. Yes, that's fine. Done?
Yeah.
Cool. Today's lesson is a Kahoot. Get into the Kahoot and start on it. It's Kahoot. You're in the wrong area.
Question mark, question.
I don't have my old notebook where I did geometry stuff.
Two A?
Cool, awesome.
What about Jason?
I'll give you some. Oh no, that's my paper. That has my homework on
Is this it? Forgot how to do this stuff.
That's all I do.
Who remembers this? Have you been using that notebook? I don't know how to do this.
Hey.
Are they just doing it on their own right now?
And then,
I wanted to count Piggy.
oh, it's different. They'll get that one maybe tomorrow.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6.
One. I am not coming around and checking your answers. I am happy to come over and help you do a question. After we actually put it into Kahoot, if a lot of people miss it, then I'll stop and I'll talk about it for everybody. But I want this to still be more of a competition than it is otherwise. So here's your first question, and you just keep working ahead. Keep working, keep working, keep working. I'm going to give you a hint on this one. Look at where the A is. Look at where the B is. Look down here. Look at where the B is. Look at where the A is. That changes the transformation that you can select. Okay, start working on this. To do 1 and then 2, and just keep working.
I don't have my notebook. Okay. Alright, that makes more sense. Oh wait, I have my pencil as well.
I need to go. I need to say bad. This says bad. I'll read it. Is RRH is becoming okay? Okay? Seriously?
Oh no, it's DJ.
Something has to happen though.
Maybe. That'll be because there's 15 questions. Yes. That was so close.
It's the same number.
I can't believe you done this.
I put it
It's Wait.
No, sir.
This?
Because we're flip, so that will be that will wait.
No, it'd be S. So A said it was the same like
No, square.
So it's a cab. Okay. Cab. Wait, what's not? A ramp in the shape of a right triangle and that is the height of X or come. I told you how. It's just
They're called it.
oh, I don't know about that.
It's 100.
100? Where'd you get 100 from?
Yes.
Minus 64.
Yeah.
36 squared.
Here's the first one in.
Sign up approved.
I spelled my name wrong. I did it again. I'm not dumb.
Hamburger.
Sean D.
Oh,
Sean.
Xavier Open.
Why is the people who put their last name people who don't?
Xavier. I know how to space out your O.
No, that's his last name.
Look,
On the screen.
yeah. Do we have to complete all of them?
No.
Oh!
Sean, are you in the game?
Yeah, he is. Sean D. Godoy.
I'm missing one player.
I know how to do
Alien
that.
Spice. I like Jesus.
What is number one? What?
We're only doing number one?
Oh, that's
Wait, we're only doing number one?
He's like on the clip. Oh my gosh, Mom.
I saw
Oh my gosh, why does it matter?
How am I in
I'm
sixth?
10.
I'm in 14.
that's the question we're on.
What are you clicking for? We're not even starting.
Now it's like my head. I don't even.
So you can't have this one? You can't trade it? So Mr. Barr. So you can't highlight it if it's the right answer?
Right now they use my
Would you like to go on number two?
Oh, which one are you on first? Why you do this again?
Do you want help on number two? I mean, want help on anything? All right. Today, it's already been a long day. My voice is tired, so you're gonna have to just listen quietly. Oh, I'm still streaming from last class. Hey, how you doing? Okay.